أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to www.islamiclasses.com, and my name is Hafiz Bilal. Today we are going to start Makhraj number 9, and the Makhraj number 9 is all about the Arabic letter Noon. Let us start now. Makhraj number 9. So first of all, we will read the definition of this makhraj, which is the makhraj number 9, which is the letter of noon. So the definition is pronounced from the edge of the tongue and the part of the roots of the teeth towards the palate. So let me clear what's the meaning of this definition. Pronounced from the edge of the tongue. You have to know where is the edge of the tongue. As you can see on this bottom image here, and this is the edge of the tongue. All right, I hope you are looking this one. This is the edge of the tongue. All right, and then they say, and the part of the roots of the teeth, the parts of the root. Also there are teeth, but the root of these teeth we are not looking right now due to this tongue on that teeth. But on above image you can see here that they are saying the part of the roots of the teeth. So these are, which is the yellow place. So these on this place, like this is the root place of these teeth. All right, and because this yellow place is on the palate or on the gums almost, we read more detail of this letter. That is, noon comes out when the edge of the tongue touches the gums. All right, noon comes out when the edge of the tongue touches. So this is the edge of the tongue. All right, when we touch this edge of the tongue, the gums of the top teeth from Anyab to Sanaya, and then you have to touch this edge of the tongue on the gums of the top teeth. These are the top teeth. All right, so we will touch the edge of the tongue on the gums. All right, this is the gums place of the front top teeth. These teeth start from the al anyab, as you can see it's written here, so that from anyab to sanaya. All right, so this teeth, which is in the blue color here, that start from al anyab. So from this place to up to sanaya teeth, you have to put your tongue, the edge of tongue, on the gums of top teeth from Anyab to Sanaya. So on the gums. All right, so when we touch our tip, our edge of tongue on this place, so then we can pronounce noon sound easily. And you can see also in this big image that our edge of tongue is touching on the gum, right, on this place. Then we can pronounce noon sound easily. Let us try now. The sound of noon, we pronounce like noon. You have to repeat after me and listen carefully that your edge of tongue is touching on the gums of top teeth from Anyab to Sanaya. All right, we say again, noon, noon, noon. Okay, and now just practice of this example of noon. So it's written in the bottom here, you can see. So we started hamza, noon, fatha, an. All right, when we pronounce an, your tongue should be touched on the complete front side. Okay, from anyab to sanayab, from left side or from right side as well, you can touch on both sides together. So we say again, Hamza, Noon, Fatha, An, Hamza, Noon, Kasra, In, Hamza, Noon, Dhamma, Un. Now we read without spelling. An, In, Un. Okay, we say again. Hamza, Noon, Fatha, An, Hamza, Noon, Kasra, In, Hamza, Noon, Dhamma, Un, An, In, Un. I hope you understand the Makhraj number 9, which is all about the Makhraj of Noon. And you can see that sometime the Noon sound goes into nose, and that inshallah I will teach you in the next classes when we make this nasal sound, which means the sound goes to the into the nose. And just stay tuned and keep watching our more tutorials for the next Makharij. And you can check our online courses here. We are providing these online courses. You can contact anytime with us by visiting our website. You can email us, you can contact by phone, or you can Skype us as well. So stay tuned, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.